Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to create stunning, fully functional forms inside Notion, whether it's for registrations, feedback, or signups? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how you can whip up a registration form from scratch on a blank Notion page. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make forms that look polished and professional, ready to share with anyone you like. Let's dive right in. First up, I'm starting with a fresh, blank Notion page. If you're following along, go ahead and open a new page in Notion just so we're working with a clean slate. Since we're building a registration form, our goal is to gather information from people, like their name, email, and maybe other details, depending on what you need. Whenever you're making a form, I find it helps to picture the experience from the user's side. Imagine they're signing up for an event or filling out a quick survey. You want things clear, simple, and inviting. On your blank page, look for the Forms option below. This might be in the Notion sidebar or the template gallery, depending on your setup. Click on that and Notion will set up a basic form structure for you. At this point, you'll see something that looks a bit like an outline for your form. It's kind of like setting the foundation before building the walls of a house. It's a simple start, but it makes everything easier as you go. Let's bring some personality to this form. The next step is to add a catchy title. Click in the title area and type registration or whatever suits your needs. Giving your form a clear and specific title is important because it tells your users right away what this form is for. If you just leave it as form, people might wonder if they're in the right place, so a little clarity goes a long way. Now for a professional look, let's add a form icon and a cover image. In Notion, you'll spot options to upload or choose an icon. Something simple like a person or a note works beautifully for registration. For the cover, pick an image that matches the vibe of your event or the purpose of your form. You could use a group photo, a festive graphic, or maybe a minimal color block. If you're stuck, Notion's built-in image library has plenty of choices. These touches aren't just decorative. They help set the tone and make your form feel inviting rather than intimidating. Next, it's time to add our questions, the real heart of your registration form. Start by including basic details. Click the plus button to add new form fields. For registration, you'll almost always want a full name field first. This personalizes the experience and lets you address people correctly later on. Then add an email field by hitting the plus button again. Collecting emails is crucial for follow-ups, confirmations, or newsletters. If you want to ask for more items, just repeat with new fields. Think about what you actually need and keep it as streamlined as possible. Maybe you want their phone number or ask what department they're in, or even add a date field so you know when they're signing up or what day they're interested in. Remember, don't overdo it on the questions. A concise form will get you better responses. Once you've added all your fields, give everything a double check. Make sure the questions are in the order that feels natural and that your required fields like name and email are set up correctly. It's always a good idea to preview your form so you can catch any typos or odd layouts before you share it. It's a bit like looking in the mirror before heading out the door. All that's left now is to share your creation. Click the Share button at the top right. This will give you a link to your form. Copy that link and you're ready to send it out, whether that means emailing it to your guests, posting on social media, or embedding it in a website. That's it. You've just created a beautiful registration form in Notion, start to finish. If any step felt tricky, just know it gets easier with practice. Don't forget to like this video if you found the tips helpful, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want advice on a specific kind of form. I'd love to help. Make sure to subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and good luck building your next form.